Welcome back. So we just entered Cheyenne, Wyoming, and depending on how long of a drive it is through town, we might make this a video. Otherwise, we'll see what we run into down the road. It must be 20, 30 mile an hour wind, is my guess, at least 20. Definitely getting windy. Hopefully it, once I get out of Wyoming, the wind calms down. I don't know if it's ever not windy in Wyoming. It seems like it's always windy when you drive through. So the I-25 junction is coming up. You can go to Casper in the north, or Denver if you're going south. That's the road I was planning on taking from Colorado originally. Fort Collins, right lane. East to Sidney, Nebraska. I'll have cable TV at my campsite, so that'll be kind of nice to be able to watch TV while I'm doing some work and relaxing. Zoe misses TV, I think. She likes it when we watch TV on the couch. She saw herself on YouTube a few days ago before I left, and she got up like she was going to walk up to the TV. I don't, surely she knows that's her, but maybe she doesn't. It was pretty funny. I was like, Zoe, that's you. She was cleaning herself in the video. They have an old West Museum at exit 362. That would be fun. There's no way though I could spend an hour or two in there and leave Zoe, you know, in the RV and get hot. Oh, looks like their downtown is to the left. The Wyoming State Capitol and Museum. never actually been to the state capitol here before. It'd be fun to see. There's another big refinery on the left. I can't believe how close it is to downtown. Gallons of DEF stored still. I'm not sure if I can put another one in or not. But once you open it, you want to use it, so I'm not going to try. I'm tempted to try once I get to the campground, because it'll be close. Stop at the next rest area, I think, and take a break. Hello? I'm driving. What did your text say?
It's pretty nice today.
Oh, it's not raining?
No, not yet.
Oh. What time did you go to bed last night? Oh. It's not bad. Can I call you when I get to the rest area in like half an hour? What?
Where are you?
In Cheyenne, Wyoming. Going east on I-80.
Okay.
Alright, bye. Alright, that time I remembered I was recording. I don't really care if people hear our conversation, but I don't know if she wants people to hear. So I will call her back. We're gonna take a little break, so that'll be good. It's funny because Traveling Robert, when he gets phone calls from his wife, he will stop the video too, for the most part. So I mean, I understand, like, you just don't know what the other person is gonna say, but there was nothing personal about that phone call, so it'll be okay. Oh, I wonder if the rest area is the one on the Nebraska border. Oh my gosh, the kids had their swimming pool set up. You know it's summer when you see that. The car says it's 88 degrees. Yeah, I think I'll end this video up here at this truck stop, and we will call that the end of Cheyenne. I think it was a good 10-15 minutes. If not, it'll just be a short video. People like just seeing the town part, I've noticed, which is fine. Like, they just want to see what it looks like from the interstate. Get an idea without watching the rural parts of the video. Well, we are at exit 367. Oh, they have a pilot here. I don't want to stop at the truck stop though yet. So that was Cheyenne, Wyoming, driving through on Interstate 80 East. I'm going to stop this and we will be right back. Thanks for watching.